Hey there, welcome to the channel and greetings from Hanoi, Vietnam. I just arrived about 30 minutes ago, checked into my hotel right here. It's called the Cresendo Boutique Studio Hotel. Grab dropped me off from the airport. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you around this area where I'm staying. And I will say that it's a lot chillier here compared to Thailand, that's for sure. Current temperature is 16 degrees, so that's like 61 degrees Fahrenheit. I'd like to exchange some currency as well. I got about 12,000 baht that I need to exchange for Vietnamese dong. And just see what there is to see around here. Maybe get a bite to eat or something. So yeah, enjoy the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll be showing you around Hanoi in this one. Oh, this looks like a nice little coffee shop right here. Check it out. Pretty cool. It's called Joma Bakery and Cafe. Got a pizza restaurant right here as well with draft beer. Looks pretty nice. Maybe I'll stop in there later for dinner. Unless I can find a better place. I'm sure there's plenty of good options around here. Another little restaurant right here. Banh Mi Hit. I'm assuming they have banh mi here. Yep. So they got the banh mi sandwiches here. Pretty cool. Hello. I'd like to find a good massage spot as well, but I already had one when I was in Bangkok. But yeah, I'd like to find a place to exchange currency because I need to switch out the Thai baht for Vietnamese dong. So I'm assuming I'll find someplace around here. I was thinking about doing it at the airport, but you usually don't get a great exchange rate. It's better to do it out on the street once you arrive in a city. And then I'd also like to get a SIM card as well, because my mobile roaming data is not working for AIS. Check it out, they got a Starbucks here, which looks really nice, but I usually don't drink Starbucks, especially in a place like Vietnam where there's excellent coffee everywhere you go. So yeah, I probably won't be going into a Starbucks anytime soon while I'm here. Overall, so far, good first impressions. It's my first time in Hanoi. I've only ever been to Da Nang once before. And I'm going to be going again during this trip to speak at this conference that I've already mentioned in some of my other videos. So we'll head down there after riding the Giang Loop. I'm waiting on my friend Bill to arrive. He's going to be joining me for the Giang Loop. He'll arrive, I believe, tomorrow in Hanoi. And we're both staying at the same hotel, Cresendo, which is really pretty nice. You know, very affordable. It's like a studio apartment. I'll show you around the room a little bit in this video at the end as well. So stay tuned for that. I got a gym right here. Bliss Fitness. Probably won't be using that when I'm here, but that's alright. Check this out. They got this little cafe bakery right here called Milk and Honey. M&H, which is also happens to be my initials. Right here. Pretty nice. Very chill space right here. Oh, this place has egg coffee. So there's another coffee shop here with egg coffee, which is actually quite good. I had it last time I was in Da Nang. Highly recommend. It's quite sweet. They have some of the best coffee in Vietnam. Huge exporter of coffee, Vietnam. And it's also one of the fastest growing economies in Southeast Asia. There's about 100 million people who live in Vietnam, and it's growing fast in terms of the economy. We've got some apartments for rent right here. They look like pretty nice apartments. Palm Gardens apartments, those look pretty nice. Another thing about Vietnam is, you know, it's about 30 to 40% cheaper than Thailand, believe it or not. So it's actually one of the cheapest countries in Southeast Asia to live. Which to me is quite appealing. The air seems quite fresh actually, even though the pollution level is really high today. I'm not having any difficulty breathing or anything. It seems like relatively fresh air to me. But maybe after a couple days of prolonged exposure to the pollution, that could change possibly. I don't know if you could read that. It says 158, which is considered very unhealthy. So, I don't know, maybe I should be wearing a mask, but it's not really that big of a deal. It doesn't hurt to breathe, but it's not great to be walking around outside for a long time. Also, another really good app that you should install while traveling abroad is called Maps.me. It's an offline map system, so it will allow you to download the maps in specific locations, and then you don't have to use Wi-Fi, you don't need mobile data. One thing I would like to find also while I'm here is some shoes, because I'm going to be riding the Giang loop and I'm still wearing sandals, so I'd like to find some, relatively cheap shoes that I can pick up, maybe Nike or something. Looks like a famous place. I can't pronounce it though. Wow. Let's check it out. Ooh. Yeah, coffee shop right here. There's the menu. I stopped into that coffee shop to get an egg coffee, which they have for like 55,000 dong, and just realized I still only have Thai baht. I could use my card, but I would rather just have cash because cash is king. So I'd like to figure out some place around here to exchange my money so that I can actually pay for things without using my card. This is the lake. Very close by to the hotel where I'm staying. I forget the name of the lake. I'd have to look it up on GPS. One thing I'm noticing right away is it is really quite chilly here. That's why I'm wearing this sweater. It's only about 16 degrees, whereas in Thailand it's like 30 degrees. So definitely a lot chillier here, that's for sure. This must be a Thai restaurant. But I learned my lesson last time I got Thai food. It was really, really bad when I got it in Vietnam, so probably gonna skip it. Thai food. It's really pretty quiet and peaceful here. I don't hear too much honking or, road noise in general, which is actually quite a relief. It almost looks like badminton that you play with your feet, which I've never seen before. Oh, interesting. It's a temple. Pretty cool. Getting close to my hotel now. Should be like another, I don't know, it says 170 meters from here on maps.me. And yeah, I think I just take the next right and I'll be back at the hotel. So I'll show you around the hotel a little bit as well before wrapping up this video. Here we are at the hotel. It's called Cresendo Boutique Studio. This is it right here. This is a hotel where I'm staying. And just booked this place on Agoda. It was, I think, around 700 baht per night, so very affordable. And it's like a one-bedroom studio apartment, basically, with everything. So you'll see in a second here. Okay, here we are. Just turn some lights on. So yeah, this is the place where I'm going to be staying for 2 nights. And overall, I would say I'm really quite impressed by this, especially for the cost. We've got the couch area. It's a little bit hot in here. I'll have to turn on the air conditioning. Comfortable bed. And even a patio as well. So I can step outside to the patio. And yeah, this is the view. I was over there earlier by the lake. I think that's the lake over there where I was at earlier. So hopefully you enjoyed this short little tour around Hanoi. This is actually my first time visiting Hanoi. I've only ever been to Da Nang before, and I'm here for riding the Giang Loop, so I'm going to be doing that in the next few days. I believe Monday we'll get a bus up to Giang, so stay tuned for videos from the Giang Loop, and then I'll be going down to Da Nang for the conference that I'm speaking at. Really looking forward to it. It's going to be like a 2-week conference. Looking forward to exploring a little bit more, seeing what this beautiful country has to offer. And so stay tuned for updates. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one.